गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, सुप्रभात। समय अभी 5:20 हो रहा है। आज हम एक नया डेस्टिनेशन की ओर जा रहे हैं। आज का ट्रिप है हैदराबाद से वाइजैक, दैट इज़ विशाखापट्टनम, एंड उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे टू अरक्कू वैली। टोटल डिस्टेंस अराउंड 680 किलोमीटर है और 12 घंटा लगने वाला है। विथ ब्रेक्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 12 से 13 घंटा हो जाएगा। स्टे विथ अस, साथ बने रहें टू गेट मोर अपडेट्स on how the route is and the traffic. Also will keep you updated on the different possible brake option in between. So now we have merged with ORR and we need to travel around 60 km in ORR and then we'll merge with the national highway.
Lane departure.
So today's route is going to be via Vijayawada using NH65 and NH16. In between, if there is any suggestion from Google to divert some to other roads, we'll see. But so far, most of the travel will be between these two highways. Time right now is 5:37. तो अभी भी हम ORR में हैं। अब हम अभी जस्ट एयरपोर्ट वाला एग्जिट को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं। समय अभी 5:50 हो रहा है और 38 किलोमीटर ORR में। उसके बाद हम हाईवे में मर्ज करेंगे NH65 पे, एंड NH65 से हम विजयवाड़ा तक जाएंगे। वहाँ से फिर थोड़ी देर में आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ विजयवाड़ा से हम NH60 जो कि चेन्नई टू कलकत्ता वाला हाईवे है, उस पर हम मर्ज करेंगे एंड उससे हम वाइजैक पहुँचेंगे। तो मेनली टू बिग हाईवेज NH65 एंड NH16 ऑन आवर वे फॉर टुडेज ट्रिप। आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर अभी 24 डिग्री है, बट assuming वाइजैक टेम्परेचर इज अराउंड 35 डिग्री, तो थोड़ा हॉट होने वाला है जर्नी। Let's see how the weather is in Vizag. Few days before there was some thunder showers. हो सकता है थोड़ा मौसम कूल हो जाए। After crossing the airport exit, now in ORR there is very few traffic, very less traffic. Exit ORR in around 4 किलोमीटर, 4 किलोमीटर में हम ORR छोड़ने वाले हैं। समय अभी 6:10 हो रहा है।
take exit 11 toward Vijayawada Road, NH65.
Lane departure.
So you have already heard the Google message that you need to take right for NH65. So we'll connect shortly. Now we have merged with the NS65 and now exiting Hyderabad. So we'll take cross towards Ramoji Film City and then head towards Vijayawada. So this route I have not frequented many times, so not sure what are different cities will come in between. We'll keep you updated. Stay with us. Right now I am taking a petrol break. So it is right now time is around 6:45 and around 100 kilometers we have traveled from home. So we'll fill the tank and then head on to the highway. And shortly I will take a small tea break also. Well, I'm having a cup of tea. So just fill the car and so merging both the brakes together to save some time. So probably 5 more minutes and then we will head on to the highway. So we are now back on the
Lane
highway
departure.
after fuel and tea break. So far we have covered around 100 kilometers
Lane departure.
and 1 hour 30 minutes from our home. अभी और 580 किलोमीटर बाकी है. Expected arrival time as per Google it is 4:30 बजे का. तो 1 घंटा और ब्रेक अगर हो सकता है लंच एंड ब्रेकफास्ट मिला के कर दे तो अराउंड 5:30 तक हम पहुंच सकते हैं. अगर सब कुछ ठीक ठाक रहा तो 5:30 तक हम अपना होटल पहुंच जाएंगे. टोटल आवर लेफ्ट 9:30
Lane
घंटे के आसपास है.
departure.
Next stop we will make for breakfast around 9 o'clock. That is the plan. Unless anyone in the car asks for some food early. Or we had find something exciting on the road
Lane
so
departure.
which may compel us to stop. अगर कोई अच्छा कुछ अट्रैक्टिव चीज़ या रोड में रोकने के लिए तो रोक सकते हैं. अदरवाइज नेक्स्ट स्टॉप इज ओनली फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. This is the second or third toll. I think down the top.
Lane departure.
I think this is the third toll. This route, other than Oara.
Lane departure.
So far we have covered around 158 kilometers from our home. अभी तक हम 158 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिए हैं ट्रक से. 2 घंटा 15 मिनट ट्रैवल टाइम. अभी भी 519 किलोमीटर और बाकी है. एक्सपेक्टेड टाइम ऑफ अराइवल 4:24 एज पर गूगल. 8 hours 41 minutes from a time perspective.
Lane departure.
बट अगर हम लंच और ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए ब्रेक करें तो अप्रॉक्स 1 आवर का और डिले हो सकता है. तो 4:30 का जगह 5:30 बजे तक हम पहुँच सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. अराउंड 5:30 रीचिंग होटल आवर.
Lane departure.
The next city that we are approaching is Suryapet. Around 20 kilometers left for Suryapet. I think that is one of the major bottleneck. Once we cross Suryapet, I think traffic will be much better. So far far also traffic is good after exiting ORR. Initial 20 to 30 kilometer it was busy, but after that it's a smooth drive. Mostly cruising on around 80 kilometer per hour speed. Just crossed the Musi river, in fact we are still crossing the same river which flows to Hyderabad. We could not capture the initial part. I was not expecting Musi river.
Lane departure.
So time right now is 8:27. So we have stopped for a breakfast. So for today's breakfast we have brought from home. So we'll have the breakfast and then head back on the highway. So हमने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट फिनिश कर लिया है, अब वापस से हाईवे में है. ऑलमोस्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 20 मिनट्स का ब्रेक था. So expected arrival now 4:46 हो गया है. It was 2:20 around. Sorry, it was 4:40. So it's now 4:46. So it's around 20-25 minutes break. Next stop will be mostly for lunch and bio break. Right now it is time is 8:52. So probably we'll see around 12 or around that time we'll stop for some lunch. We'll keep you updated. Stay with us. We have so far covered 234 kilometer from home. Time right now is 9:50. अभी तक हमने 234 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिए हैं घर से.
Lane
3
departure.
घंटा 25 मिनट का ट्रैवल टाइम एक्सक्लूडिंग ब्रेक्स. अभी एज पर गूगल हम 4:45 तक पहुंच जाएंगे,
Lane
कोई और
departure.
ब्रेक ना दे तो. टोटल किलोमीटर लेफ्ट इज 441. The road so far was good. In between there are few construction going on, so there are diversion, but mostly the road condition is good. We will not have any problem, and there is lot of eating option on the roadside, so no issue for breakfast.
Lane departure.
The location, not sure what it is. Chillikala, Chillakallu. I think 105 is the charge for this toll. Here the toll gate is in the opposite direction. Normally it opens in the other way, but in this road I am seeing last 3 tolls all opening in the reverse direction.
Lane departure.
So we are NH65, still in NH65, but in this part I think the speed limit is 100. Newly laid road. इस पार्ट में रोड पे 100 का लिमिट है, स्पीड लिमिट. नॉर्मली इन अदर इट इज 80, बट हियर इस जगह पे 100 का है लिमिट. लुक्स लाइक न्यूली laid road, very smooth.
Lane departure.
Not sure which river it is.
Lane departure.
We are also approaching toll.
Lane departure.
I think it is Gantepalli toll.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
Place name is Kesarai. And this toll, I think it's 70 rupees.
Lane departure.
So you can see the mountains in front and a big statue of Hanuman. हनुमान जी का एक बहुत बड़ा स्टैचू है साइड में.
Lane departure.
हम अब विजयवाड़ा अप्रोच करने वाले हैं. अराउंड 7 किलोमीटर है विजयवाड़ा. जस्ट क्रॉस्ड इब्राहिमपट्टनम. थोड़ी देर में
Lane departure.
गोदावरी रिवर क्रॉस करेंगे. राइट नाउ रनिंग पैरेलल टू गोदावरी रिवर. Total distance covered so far is approximately 300 km and 4 hour 21 minutes travel time. 376 किलोमीटर और बचा हुआ है. एस्टिमेटेड टाइम अभी भी 4:45 है. In between roads were very good and the speed limit was 100, so you can drive comfortably. So this is the new expressway. This is NS. This will connect to NS16 and it will take to Vizag. So now we have left Vijayawada and we just covered the outskirts of Vijayawada and now on the highway NH163G, which will connect to NH16. This is having a speed limit of 100. रोड काफ़ी अच्छा है. स्पीड लिमिट 100 है.
Lane departure.
NH163G. We left NH65 at Vijayawada
Lane departure.
and have
Keep left to stay on National
we
Highway
have connected to
163G.
N163G. This will merge with 1H16 Chennai Kolkata highway. Okay, I think this toll is not yet operational, so no charges over here.
Continue for 12 kilometers.
ये टॉल अभी भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी कोई चार्ज नहीं लगने वाला। हम NH65 को विजयवाड़ा में छोड़ दिए और NH163G पकड़े हैं। ये NH16 पे कनेक्ट होगी एंड ये हमें वाइजैक तक ले जाएगा। NH16 इज़ द सेम हाईवे है जो चेन्नई से कलकत्ता जाती है।
Lane to turn left onto National Highway 16.
Yes, so we are merging into National Highway 16, Chennai Kolkata highway. We just left 163G and this will take finally, this may be the final
National
highway
16 for
to Vizag.
46 kilometers.
Lane departure.
We have now taken one small break for coffee and bio break. कॉफ़ी और वॉशरूम का ब्रेक लिए करीब प्लस है कॉफ़ी शॉप में। टाइम अराउंड 11 समथिंग हो रहा है, 11:15 के आसपास। नाइस शॉप and have all sorts of coffee. I'm having a black coffee so that don't feel sleepy. I was feeling sleepy after breakfast, so having a black coffee now. We are left Vijayawada and connected to the bypass road NH163G and now in NH16. This will take us to Vizag.
So right now we are still in NH16 and the distance left is 250 km approximately.
Lane departure.
Expected arrival time is around 5 o'clock.
Lane departure.
We are in NH16. अभी हम NH16 पे ही है। Outside temperature is 36 degree. It's very hot. समय अभी 12:20 हो रहा है। It may take around 4.5 hours more to reach our hotel. The road NH16 is very good. You can drive above 80 plus. And most of the stretch, the recommended speed is 100, so not an issue. आप आराम से जा सकते हैं क्रूज में. Traffic is also very less. Maybe because today is Friday, so traffic is little less. Weekend it may be more. Friday के कारण हो सकता है कि आज ट्रैफिक कम है. Saturday, Sunday में हो सकता है ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा हो.
Lane
So
departure.
if you are using this road on Friday, you will not get major traffic.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
We are crossing now Godavari, very big river. It's dried up but still looks very big. ये गोदावरी रिवर है, काफ़ी बड़ा है. द ब्रिज भी बहुत बड़ा है. कारण बीच में पानी थोड़ा सूख गया है, बट अगर रेनी सीजन ना हो तो ये काफ़ी और भी भरा हुआ लगेगा। ये अगर आपको दिख रहा होगा तो आगे आइलैंड जैसा दिख रहा है, तो ग्रीनरी वो आइलैंड है, उसके बाद भी रिवर है। बीच में थोड़ा सा पानी सूखा हुआ है, वहाँ पानी नहीं है, पेड़ है, उसके बाद फिर पानी है। See this green patch. After this also there is a river. It's so big that it takes more than 5 minutes to cross. This is a new bridge, and there is an alternate bridge on the other side, which has, I think, the railway line also. So after this green patch also, if you can see, there is a water. It's very, very wide. This side it is right now dried up after the green patch, but you can see the river sand. One more toll and 150 kilometer left for our hotel right now. Time is remaining is 2 hours 50 minutes. Expected to reach by 5. We are still in NH16 and hopefully we'll reach on time as per our expectation at 5 p.m. somewhere around 5 p.m.
Lane departure.
Outside temperature is 36 degree. It's very hot right now. Time is 2 o'clock.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
So you can see the mountains, Eastern Ghats. We are crossing Anvaram town. $125 kilometers still left for our destination.
Lane departure.
Beautiful
Lane
landscapes,
departure.
all greenery.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
Nice view. Landscape has totally changed. now we are approaching Vizag. 72 किलोमीटर लेफ्ट. अब हम वाइजैक पहुंचने वाले हैं. 72 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है. 1 घंटे 36 मिनट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली फॉर आवर होटल. 5 बजे तक हम पहुंच जाएंगे.
Lane departure.
Continue on Chennai Kolkata highway for 20 kilometers.
We are still in the Chennai Kolkata highway, and Vizag is 40 kilometers from here now.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
Time right now is 3:48. The estimated arrival time is still approximately 5 p.m. We are
Lane
approaching
departure.
Vizag now. 21 kilometer for our hotel. Time is right now 4:10. So we are now approaching. We have now
Slight left
entered
onto
Vizag.
Chennai Kolkata
Approaching
highway,
our
Vizag
hotel.
Srikakulam highway.
We'll reach our hotel in 35 minutes. Right now time is 4:17. Approximately 20 kilometer
Continue
more.
on Chennai Kolkata highway.
We reached Vizag at around 5 p.m. Total travel time for us was 12 hours 15 minutes, including 3 small breaks, covering a distance of 681 km. After check-in to our hotel, we headed to RK Beach, which was 5-minute walk from our hotel. We will end this video here. Next step plan is to visit Araku, which we will cover in another video. Thank you for watching.